Today I want to talk about the importance of education.
Dad, why is education so important?
Education builds your future, my children.
Mom, how does it build our future?
Education gives you knowledge and understanding.
Does it also help us get good jobs?
Yes, education opens the door to good opportunities.
And it makes you confident in life.
I want to be confident and strong.
Then, education is your best friend.
Dad, does education teach discipline?
Absolutely. Discipline is a major part of learning.
Without discipline, success is impossible.
I want to learn discipline too.
You can learn it through regular study.
Why do people say education is light?
Because it removes darkness from the mind.
That sounds beautiful, Mom.
When your mind is educated, you make better decisions.
So education helps us in daily life too?
Yes, in every part of life.
Even small tasks become easier with knowledge.
I want to learn new things every day.
That is a wonderful habit.
Dad, does education make us good humans?
Yes, it teaches values and ethics.
It teaches kindness and respect too. I love learning kindness. And I want to respect everyone.
Education also teaches patience.
Patience makes a person mature. I will try to be patient. Me too, Mom.
Education also improves communication skills.
So it helps us speak better?
Yes, it helps you express yourself clearly.
Reading books improves speaking skills.
Should we read daily?
Yes.
Yes, even 10 minutes can help. I will start reading every night.
That will make you smarter.
Dad, can education change society?
Yes, educated people build strong societies.
They work together with understanding.
I want our society to be better.
And I want to help people. Education teaches you how to solve problems.
A problem-solving mind is powerful.
I want such a mind.
It's such a mind. Me too.
Education also helps in building careers.
I want to become a teacher. That is a beautiful dream.
I want to be an engineer.
Both dreams need study
And hard work.
Hard work and education go hand in hand.
I will work hard for my dream.
And I will too.
Education gives freedom. What kind of freedom, Dad?
Freedom to make your own choices.
Freedom to live with dignity.
Ali.
That sounds wonderful. Education makes life easier.
Yes, it teaches you how to handle challenges.
Challenges become easier with knowledge.
Does education teach confidence too?
Yes, very strong confidence.
I want that confidence.
Huh? Then keep learning daily.
Education also teaches time management.
So we should not waste time?
Exactly.
I will plan my study schedule.
Planning brings success.
Education teaches responsibility.
Responsibility makes us mature.
I want to be responsible.
What?
I am proud of both of you.
Education also improves creativity.
I love drawing.
Education will help you improve your art.
I like technology. Huh.
Technology also needs education.
Learning new skills is part of education.
What skills should we learn?
Reading, writing, speaking, computing.
I want to learn computer skills.
That is very important in today's world.
Education protects us from ignorance.
Ignorance makes life difficult?
Yes, very difficult. Hear me.
I don't want to be ignorant. Then stay close to books. Books are our friends.
Yes, the best friends. I will read a new book every month.
Great idea. I will join you.
Education also teaches honesty. Honesty is the best policy.
And education helps you follow it.
I love honest people.
Education teaches respect for others. Respect makes relationships strong.
And it keeps the family happy. I respect all of you.
We respect you too.
Dad, can education change our future?
Yes, completely. Educated people shape their own destiny.
I want to shape my destiny.
And
So do I.
education gives you power. The power of knowledge.
Ooh. And the power to think. And the power to grow.
Education teaches good manners.
Manners make you a good person.
I will practice good manners. I will too. I will too.
Education brings stability in life. A stable life is peaceful.
I want a peaceful life and a successful one.
Success comes to educated minds.
And to hardworking hearts.
We will work hard, Mom. Yes, we promise.
Education will reward both of you.
It will make your dreams possible.
Thank you for teaching us. Yes, thank you, Dad and Mom.
We want the best future for you. And education is the key.
I understand that now. And I understand it too.
Then follow the path of learning.
And never stop growing.
We will always choose education.